Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel or suspend your YouTube TV subscription. So what you want to do is head on over to tv.youtube.com. And if you're not already, you can sign in to your account. But once you're signed in, what we want to do is open our account information, and we can do so by clicking on this little circle here in the upper right-hand corner. That'll open up this menu, and what we want to do is click on where it says Settings. And in your account settings, make sure you're selected on the Membership tab. Go over to your membership and click on where it says Manage. And if you'd like to just pause your membership, you can do so by selecting how many weeks that you would like to pause your membership before it starts charging you again. But instead of pausing, you can also just cancel your plan by clicking right here where it says Cancel. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful on where you can access pausing or canceling your YouTube TV subscription. I'll put a link to this page down in the description so you can quickly access it and then manage your YouTube TV plan. So thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.